So in this question, you're asked to find limit x tends to infinity, x plus 1 power 10 plus x plus 2 power 10 plus x plus 3 power 10, so on up to x plus 10 whole power 10 by x power 10 plus 10 power 10. So here also I'm not going to solve this analytically. So this can be very easily done using our shortcut as x tends to infinity. So we know that as x tends to infinity, only the highest power of x matters, because this is going to infinity by infinity form. So only the highest power of x matters. So x power 10 plus 10 power 10, this 10 power 10 can be neglected, because as x is going to infinity. And here among x and 1, this 1 can be neglected, 2 can be neglected, 3 can be neglected, 10 can be neglected. So now you have x power 10, x power 10, x power 10, x power 10. So how many x power 10s are there? So in the numerator you have 10 times x power 10 effectively. In the denominator you have x power 10 effectively. So x power 10 and x power 10 gets cancelled. So the answer is nothing but 10.